Hey there, little explorers! Welcome back to ShuChu TV. Crocodiles and alligators. Crocodile, crocodile, alligator, alligator, caiman, caiman, thorny devil, thorny devil, blue tongue skink, blue tongue skink, carriel, carriel, dwarf crocodile, dwarf crocodile. Other cool reptiles: flying dragon lizards, flying dragon lizards, frilled lizards, frilled lizards, sand boa, sand boa, black mamba, black mamba, green tree python, green tree python, horned lizards, horned lizards, savannah monitor, savannah monitor, yellow-bellied sea snake, yellow-bellied sea snake. Wow, that was a scary adventure. You just met 50 fascinating reptiles. Weren't they amazing? If you had fun learning, don't forget to be like, subscribe and tell your friends. Come back soon for more fun animal adventures. Until next time, keep smiling, stay curious and be a brave explorer. Bye-bye. Nail monitor, nail monitor, sidewinder snake, sidewinder snake, gecko, gecko, Chinese water dragon, Chinese water dragon, common wall lizards, common wall lizards. Let's into it. Snakes, Cobra, Cobra, python, python, rattlesnake, rattlesnake, king snake, king snake, milk snake, milk snake, lizards, chameleon, chameleon, Gecko, Gecko, Komodo dragon, Komodo dragon, Girdle snake. Girdle snake. Girdle snake. Girdle snake. Anaconda. Anaconda. Boa constrictor. Boa constrictor. Viper. Viper. Glove monster. Glove monster. Turtle and tortoises. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Box turtle. Box turtle. Red-eared slitter. Red-eared slitter. Iguana. Iguana. Monitor lizards. Monitor lizards. Skink. Skink. Bearded dragon. Bearded dragon. Basilisk. Basilisk. Anole. Anole. Soft shell turtle. Soft shell turtle. Galapagos tortoise. Galapagos tortoise. Indian star tortoise. Indian star tortoise. Painted turtle. Painted turtle. Desert tortoise. Desert tortoise. Snapping turtle. Snapping turtle. Leatherback turtle. Leatherback turtle.